Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will help you how to download and install McAfee antivirus software to your computer and your phone. Okay, let's start. Open any browser. In the address bar, type McAfee.com. In top right corner, you will see sign in. Type your email where your account is. Okay, type your password here. And in case you does not remember the password, you can select this option, forget password. They will send you the passcode and then you can reset the password. In case you don't like to reset the password, you can use this option, sign in with a one-time passcode. You will get a passcode on your email and then you can use your account or subscriptions. Okay, we will enter the password. Now sign in. Now we are in the account. Scroll little down. On left hand side you can see subscriptions. If you press this, here you can subscribe. You can see the subscriptions that you have purchased. Okay, now it is the time to download and protect your device. Okay, one option is you can go from here, add the device and follow the instructions. In this video we will go for the second option. There is more choices. Okay, here we go back to my account here, or you can go with the backspace or with this arrow as well. Okay, we press this my account. On right hand side you will see downloads and devices. If we click on it, okay, we can see here what where you want to download. Is it a Windows PC, Mac, mobile phone, Chromebook? You can install or any device. Here you can select your subscription. Okay, if this is a Windows PC, just select download and then follow the instructions. Okay, in case we want to install on our phone, the easiest way is just select mobile phone and then send link. Okay, if we put send link SMS, we just put it our phone number and they will text. Okay, check your phone and you will get in your phone you will get a download link and then download the software and follow the instructions, and then same way you have to enter your login and password, same email and password. Okay, in this video we are doing the process for the computer, the Windows PC. So we select Windows PC and we go for download. Okay, one more thing, here you can see the license, it is for unlimited devices. So you can share with your family members, you can send the link via email and install on their computer, or simply you just log in on their computer the same way and download and install. Okay, we will download, agree and download. The exe file of the McAfee installer has been downloaded. We can open from here you see show in folder. If we click it here, we can go from here. I will show you. Okay, it is here. We can double click. Okay, in case we cannot find where it is downloaded, okay, we will close this one. Okay, no worries, just go in this file explorer in the bottom. Okay, file explorer, and then in the downloads, this is the installer. We have to double click. Okay, you will see a screen and you have to press it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Press yes. In this video you cannot see this. Okay, now press install. Okay, McAfee has been installed. Just close. Okay, get start. Here on the left hand side you will see this account. If you press it, then my subscriptions, you can see more about your subscription. Okay, licenses, it is for 50 devices, it is active. Okay, expiry date. If we want to run a scan, just go press the home button, this on your left hand side, home. Okay, then press this antivirus. Okay, okay, run a scan. Okay, hopefully this video will help you protect your devices. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.